Marhaban, this is Soraya, and today I'm going to teach you 3 essential Arabic words in modern standard Arabic language. Why essential? Well, because we all use those 3 words so many times every day. And as a bonus, I'm going to also teach you how to pronounce properly 2 very important letters of the Arabic alphabet. So, let's begin. The first word is hello. In Arabic, it's marhaban. Please repeat with me. Marhaban. 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 I have written in Arabic this word up here. For those of you who can read Arabic, great. For those of you who can't, no problem. There is the English transcription down below. Now, I want you to pay attention very closely to the sound of ha. It's not marhaban, it's not marhaban, it's marhaban. So, and this is the first bonus, and I'm going to teach you how to pronounce properly the sound of the Arabic letter ha. Well, this letter is similar to the English letter H, which is pronounced h, like in the word of horse, but it's the guttural sound of h, and it's created somewhere here in your throat. Now I understand it can be a little bit of challenging to learn to pronounce the sound h, but I'm going to give you one small trick how you can teach yourself to pronounce it properly. So what you will do is you will put your fingers under your chin and you press upwards, and in the same time you will try to pronounce the sound of h, alright? So, see, you cannot pronounce h. When you press up, it will automatically turns into the sound of funny, right? Well, but this is the sound of the Arabic letter h. The second word is thank you. In Arabic, it's shukran. Shukran. Repeat with me. Shukran. Shukran. Easy, right? Perfect. Let's move to the third word. The third word or expression is goodbye. In Arabic, ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama. Repeat. Ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama. Actually, this expression consists of 2 words. The first word is the word ma'a. Ma'a. Ma'a, which means with. Then we have the definite article, which is el. It's the same like the English the. And then we have the word salama. 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 So together it's al-salama. And it means the safety. So this expression literally means with the safety. But we use it in the meaning of goodbye. Ma'as-salama. Pay attention to the word ma'a. Ma'a, which means with. Here you have the sound of ah. Ah. And this is the second bonus today that I'm going to teach you how to pronounce properly the Arabic letter ah. Ain. Ain. Again, I understand it could be a little bit challenging or intimidating for you to pronounce it properly, but again, I have a small trick for you which you can use and practice it, and I'm sure with constant practice you will learn it in no time. So what you will do, again, you will put your fingers and you press on your throat here as if you are choking yourself, you know, and you try to say the sound of ah. But instead of that, because you are choking, you are pressing here, the sound will automatically turn into ah. So, let's do it. Ah, 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 ah. You listen, you hear that? How it changed from ah to ah? Yeah, I know. It's again very funny because it's really like if you are talking yourself. But this is the proper pronunciation of the sound or letter ha, ain. Also, I want you to pay attention to the pronunciation of the whole expression ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama. I have told you that the word salama, which means safety, has the definite article in front of it, which is in Arabic al. But when we pronounce it together with the ma'a, we omit it. We do not pronounce it. Okay? So instead of saying ma'a al-salama, we say ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama. So we don't pronounce the definite article al. And we also stress on the sound of s in the word salama. So we tell ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama. Great. So let's recap. The first word we learned today is hello. In Arabic, marhaban. Marhaban. Repeat with me. Marhaban. The second word we learned today is thank you. In Arabic, shukran. 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 And the third, ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama. Goodbye. Thank you so much, shukran, for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumb up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bar. Ma'as-salama. Bye.